Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss about grammatical errors in a paragraph. Here is a paragraph and it is having with some grammatical errors. Let's find them and correct them. Anybody, yes, anybody who do many reading of news, anybody who does, anybody does, any word singular है, so it should be,
Yes.
verb should be singular.
Yes.
Yes. Does
A
a lot
lot
of,
of,
instead of many, let's write a lot
A
of.
lot of.
That is a
Lot.
lot of. A lot of reading of new fictions. Of new fictions. Fictions will
Essay.
गप will no fictions
No.
no
Willy.
knows
No. Willy. Essay.
knows simple present knows that
That.
a quite
Quite a.
no a quite a surprising high proportion of it is about children.
So high area.
Yeah, we shall take it there, right? High proportion on
It.
no, high proportion of it.
Of.
That is of, not on it. Of. Wherefore, of. It is about children. And more often, and
More.
about children. Could understand? Comma. Let's remove it. Comma.
ऐसे बोला.
And more of proportion of it about children and
Edge.
more often
Children and he children comma.
and more often is more often than not
Comma then.
than not than not. Could understand comma about unhappy children too. To be quite is fair. They are not treated. This is not treated. They are treated. Ed third form. With any brutality. Brutality. Could understand? This should be brutality. Brutality. Liti. Brutality. Right? They are not very often beaten. Beat, this should be en form. Beaten by their parents. By their parents, this is S. You understand? Or sort of in closed cellars. Or told that if they were naughty, if they
Naughty.
were, this should be were. Were naughty, and they would born, believe it's a past form, is would. O-U-L, would born perpetually in hellfire.
Fire.
Hellfire, ନର୍କ ନିଆଁରେ ପୋଡ଼ି ହେବେ. The grown-ups in the modern novel,
Nobel.
the grown-ups in the modern novels,
S.
essay, that is essay, plural, about children, seem hardly robust enough for the kid of cruelty. Full stop. Okay. Number two. Yes, our country gave birth to Gandhi, a mighty soul, and he was like a beacon light not only to India but also for the whole world. And yet he was put to death. Yet he was put to death by one of our own brothers. This should be brothers. ଭାଇମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଜଣକ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଭାଇମାନଙ୍କ so it should be S. How did this happen? ଏମିତି କେମିତି ହେଲା? You may think that it was an act of madness, but that does not explain a tragedy. Right? It could only occur because the seed of it was sown in the poison. Because it was sown in the poison. Hatred and enmity. Could understand? Hatred and enmity. Enmity. That spread throughout the country and affected ed, that is the past tense, affected so many of our people. Out of that seed grew this poisonous plant. Next one is question number, that is number 3. Yeah, this is 3. The junior manager, the senior manager and the boss were the junior manager. Could you understand? What did I say? The junior manager. Right. The senior, again here, again the senior manager and the boss were on their way, were on their way. This is not in, this should be on. Right preposition on. On their way to the lunch meeting. In a cab, they found a lamp. The boss rubbed it. A boss, that is the boss. The boss rubbed it and Jenny appeared. I will grant you one wish each. The gently Jenny said. She କହିଲା ତା ଭିତରୁ ଗୋଟେ ବାହାରି ପଡ଼ିଲା, ସେ କହିଲା appear, I shall grant you one wish each. The Jenny said. Right? Grabbing the lamp, grabbing, this is grabbing. B-B-I-N-G. B-I-N-G. Okay, grabbing, dhari pakairi. Lamp from his boss. Okay. The senior manager eagerly, Atrosata shouted, I want to be on a fast boat in the Bahamas with no worries. I want to be on a fast boat in the Bahamas with no worries. And proof he was gone. The junior manager, what did I say?
The junior manager.
Yeah, the junior manager could not keep quietly. धीरे स्थिर रही पाला, could not keep quietly. Right? Could not keep quietly. He shouted. This is not a shout, so this is shouted. Ed past tense, you know. Shouted. I want to be in Miami. With beautiful girls, food and cocktails. Right?
Cocktails.
Yeah, cocktails. And poof. And poof. Could understand?
He was
And he was
gone.
And poof, he was gone. Hey, he was gone. Finally, It was the boss turn, Tapali, Bosotani. I want these idiots back in office after lunch. ଆଉ ଇଏ କହିଲା ଯେ ମୁଁ ଇଡ଼ିଅଟ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ପିନ୍ଧିକି ଲଞ୍ଚ ପରେ ଅଫିସକୁ ଫେରି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଏଣ୍ଡ ପୁଫ୍ ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଡନ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ଆଉ ରାଇଟ୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ନମ୍ବର 4 that is cross the road outside our house that is while crossing this is while crossing WHILING while W capital letter okay W what letter capital W H while crossing ING while crossing
Have space.
yes I'll give space while crossing the road outside our house my wife dropped hair kiss his not his hair what key down a drain since she could not see this is since
Say
SINC since
space. Since
she small letter you know since she could not this is can should be could 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 see since she could see it rest could see since she could see it rest
it last
comma just out of reach comma just out of reach
reaching.
not reaching this is reach out of reach
Science.
she attached not sense she attached a stick to a piece of string with a magnet on the end and dangled it ओढ़िक रखिला it over the grid she was quite pleased yes with her ingenuity instead of on we should write with 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 her ingenuity until a passerby observing the scene that is not a scene this is the scene commented you know there is a fishmongers you know
New.
should we know OW no there is a fishmongers just down the road just just fishmonger ମାଛ ବିକାଳି down the road
ପାଖେ question
love
mark.
ଇଏରେ question mark yeah question mark
ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଇନଭର୍ଟର କମା
ହଁ
ଗୋଟେ ପଡ଼ିବ
and it is exclamation mark what did I say
exclamation mark.
where is that mark
One.
yes one exclamation mark
ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ପଡ଼ିବ
and that is in what
ଇନଭର୍ଟର କମା ଗୋଟେ
single this should be
Single
single Single inverted comma. Single.
Inverted comma.
Right. Okay.
ପାଖା ଲଗେଇ ଛାତି ଲଗେଇଦେଲେ
ଏଠି କହିଦେ
ସ୍ପେସ୍ ଲଗେଇଥିଲେ
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, with this that is the end of today's grammatical class. And you know all these paragraphs are from TBW
Simple Papers
for
for
plus two second year
2018.
second year English 2018. Okay, we shall discuss in our next session the other things. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.